This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing gear and inputs. Equip the block weapon to slot 1 or 2 and ensure you have at least 1 power cell. Once done, check your energy meter is above 50% so the weapon cycles reliably. Make sure primary fire is bound to a reachable key or button for fast activation. Now, step into cover and hold the aim lock briefly to charge a predictable block placement. This setup guarantees you can deploy the weapon the moment combat starts without fumbling. You execute the technique by holding aim to charge the block weapon, watching the reticle indicator. When it reaches the sweet spot, tap primary fire to place the block exactly. Once placed, move immediately, combine a grenade or melee to stagger nearby enemies, creating a forced formation that the block controls. Make use of walls and corners. Place blocks at choke points or angles to cause ricochet damage and micro-control enemy movement. This deliberate cadence, charge, place, follow up, turns raw placement into tactical denial. You finish engagements by reclaiming or reloading the power cell and rotating to the next target within 5 seconds to exploit momentum. If a placement misfires or clips geometry, crouch briefly and re-aim. The small posture change resets the placement vector and prevents repeated failures. If enemies apply shred effects that quickly destroy your block, reposition farther back or angle blocks toward cover so they survive longer. Consistent pacing, deploy, follow up, reload, keeps you effective and minimizes downtime in sustained fights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.